Okay, class, welcome back. Today we're talking on differentiation using chain rules. Differentiation using chain rules. So the chain rule is the same as what simplification of what of simple bracket through derivation. So if you have a bracket and you want to simplify simple brackets, you make use of what chain rules. You have something like something way super at 3, something way super at 4, and that kind of thing. You use what chain rule. So now we have this. Find the derivative of what y equals to this. So this is a rule we want to use. Now you have to learn it. So if you have a question like that and you're looking for derivative, you just say let u be what is in the bracket. Let u be the bracket. Then y, call y to be what? If u is this, if u is this, therefore what is y? Y is u raised to power 3. This is it. So if u is what is in the bracket, so what is the u the x? The u the x now be, you take this 2 to this side, to the down, we have 2 times 3. 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. So we have what? 6x. The differentiation of the constant is what? Is 0. So if y is equals to u raised to power 3, so what is the y the x, the y the u? The y the u will now be, the 3 will come down, because I've represented this thing as u now. So y is equals to u is over 3. So we have, take this one down, 3 times u, then 3 minus 1 using the formula. So we have here 3u is over 2. If you have not watched other videos, go and watch it. Don't come and jump into this one. Then chain rule states that what is chain rule state? What does chain rule I mean what does it state? It states that what? The y the x is equals to du over the x times dy over du. That's what chain rule states. Dy over dx is equals to du over dx times dy over du. Now what is du over dx? What is du? Do for d. What is du over dx? We have found du over dx. Du dx is what? We have du dx as what? 2x. 6x times, what is dy du? Dy du is what? 3x. 3u square. So bring it down. So times this thing, we're going to get 18xu square. So but remember that, but u is equals to what? 3x square minus 2. It's not true. So anyway you see u now, remove it and put this, because this is supposed to be the final answer. But remove u and put what we say. But u is what? We used u as this. So remove u and put this now. So u is this. So anyway you see u, what are you going to put? Put it back to its normal state. So we have therefore dy dx is equals to what? 18x open bracket 3x square minus 2 raised to power 2. So example 2 says find the derivative of y equals to the square root of 1 minus 2x cube. To find the square root of this, we have solution. Y is equals to this. Is not true. So note, in indices, remember, let's go back to in indices, the root of x is equals to what? X raised to power 1 over 2. Is not true in indices. Hope is clear. How is it like that? Because if you have x, if this thing is like this, remember that if something like this means here is 2. It's not true. This is square. So we are bringing it back now. It's going to be x raised to power. This is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means that this thing has power 1 and has root 2. Look at it. So power 1 over 2. So that's why it's 1 over 2. So and the same thing here. So this is cube root 3. The 3 will be down. Power 2 will be up. I hope you understand. That's how this one is. So let us now go back to our question. So you from that indices now fix this thing. What does this thing mean? This thing means now was that we have 2 here, that is square, and power 1, that is 1 over 2. Let u be equals to the middle one. Middle one. And let y be equals to what? If u is this, what is y? Y is now u raised to power 1 over 2. Look at it. So if u is the middle one, what is the u dx? The u dx, this one become 1 become what? 0. Constant is 0. Instead I don't have x is 0 if you are differentiating. Minus, bring your 3 down. That is 3 times 2. X raised to power 3 minus 1. You write based on the formula. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So we have minus times this one minus 6x raised to power 2. So if y equals to, we are done with this one. Now if y is equals to u raised to power 1 over 2, what is the y du? The y du now, this 1 over 2 will go down. 1 so now I have 1 minus 2, 1 over 2 minus 1 from with the formula. So if you subtract 1 over 2 minus 1 will give you 1 minus, it will give you what? Minus 1 over 2. How? Let us go back here. 1 over 2 minus 1. I put over 1 here. Now put it. What is the LCM of 2 minus? What is the LCM of 2 and 1? We have 2. 2 will go into 1. 2 will go into 1. 1 bracket 1 here. Minus 1 will go into, it's not 2. That 2 bracket the 1 up. 2 will go into is 1, right? 1 bracket 1. Minus 1 will go into is 2. 1, that 2 bracket this 1 up. So 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. That's how we got this. So when you subtract this, you get 1 minus 1 over 2. So go back to the your formula. Therefore, dy over dx is equals to what? Du dx times dy du. What is du dx? Can look for du dx. Du dx is what? Is minus 6x squared. Bring it down. Times, what is dy du? Dy du. Look at it here. You bring it down. Now times it. Times it. You are timesing you before you going, but before you times, remember that this thing means what? I say note that u raised to power minus 1 over 2 means what? Means that this minus raised to power minus means 1 over. Then over what? 1 over 2. 1 over. This minus means 1 over. Carry this u down. Carry 1 over 2 down. So that's how we solved. That's how we got this. So from there, you can now times. We are done with from there. But this, remember that 1 over 2 means what? Go back to what we did. 1 over 2 means what? It means what? Square. Square root to the power of what? 1. So that was, we now brought it back to the original form. Square root to the power of 1. Yes, from there now you can now, what can you do again? You can now times 1 is 1. 2 times root u is 2 root u. Then from here now you can now times this times 1 is this over this. From here now 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we have minus 3x squared over what? Over the root of what? U. But go back. But what? But you cannot leave your answer like this, remember, because of u has something. What is u? U is something here. Check, what is u? But u is equals to what? You say but u is, let's u equals 1 minus 2x cubed. So we say but u is equals to this. But u is equals to this is not true. So the y dx now is equals to, anyway you see u now, put 1 minus 2. I remove that u and put what? I remove this u. Sorry for that. I remove this u, the u down, and put what? And put what? 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. That's what we did here. So this is the final answer. So this is your assignment. If y equals to this, find the y dx.